Hello, it's Mama Mo here.
Here in my Grow Your Food series, you will see what I planted, how they grew. I'll also show you ideas on how you eat what you plant.
Any of these 5 greens add great flavor to many dishes. Planted the parsley from seed and you'll see that the leaves look the same as coriander. However, coriander has round seeds, but the leaves look very similar. To tell them apart, parsley has a mild scent and a grassy taste.
This salad went well with shawarma.
Coriander has a pungent smell and a stronger taste. I use them for guacamole and in my fish fillet.
Check out my video for the fish fillet recipe.
I also planted a thyme herb from seed, and you can see how tiny they are. But they grew very fast and I was able to put them in 2 pots. Couldn't resist buying a rosemary plant from the Home Depot, and it grew very well and healthy. I recently made a homemade focaccia with basil pesto, and I made sure to add rosemary and thyme as toppings for this delicious bread.
Please like and share this video.
I only harvest what I need, and you can add to soup, roast, and even salad.
You can grow any of these 4 herbs in their own little pots indoors. Can you suggest any other way to use them?
Now, green onions are one of the easiest things to plant. You just take the cuttings from your grocery purchase and stick it into some soil, and it grows really fast. We have so many uses for green onions. We put it in our ramen, in our Hawaiian poke, in our pancit or noodles. It garnishes our wonton soup. And of course, we add it to our bulalo or beef stew.
Make sure to watch all the videos in this Grow Your Food series. And send me your suggestions for the plants to grow next year.
Will you be planting your own Scarborough Fair too?